Who are we? What do we do? How can we help your brand? We help your brand succeed. When does a brand succeed? It is when a brand name is turned into a verb from just a noun. You may think, what's the big difference? Let's say, for example, what do we do when we want to search something online? We Google it. That is the difference. This is exactly what we strive to help your brand turn into. We help your business right from creating a website to turning it into a brand. How do we do it? We provide all digital services that will help your business grow into a brand. Starting from logos and creative design, web design and development, digital marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, business strategies, brand videos just like what you're watching right now, and many more. You name it, we do it. We help you reach your niche audience and create awareness about your brand and show your products or services as the ultimate solution for their problems. So, who are we? We are exactly what our brand name suggests: pure marketing solutions for all your digital needs. Reach us now on 888 69 88 969.